There, let's see how to extract leads from your competitor's company page followers. Let's assume that CargoWise is my competitor company and it has 33,000 followers. First of all, go to your LinkedIn profile and add a temporary job experience in the competitor's company. Click on the plus symbol in experience and add a position. I am adding myself as a brand partner and a full-time employee in my competitor company, that is CargoWise. Add a starting date. Make sure that this particular toggle has been turned off so that LinkedIn does not notify anyone about this job position. Click on Save. This is a temporary job position and can be removed immediately after scraping the followers of CargoWise company page. This should be your latest experience and should appear in the top of your page in your top card. Then go to your Sales Navigator account. Enable the toggle option of following your company. LinkedIn assumes that my current company is CargoWise because I have created a temporary job in the company and it is my latest updated job experience as shown in the LinkedIn page as well. Hence, whenever I toggle on following your company, Sales Navigator shows all the 33,000 followers of CargoWise company page, assuming it to be my current company. You can extract all these followers for CargoWise using Konnector. You will have to split it into batches of 2,500 leads because LinkedIn does not reveal more than 2,500 leads for any search. You can use filters like seniority level, past job titles, year in the current company, and bring it down to 2,500. For example, I am adding director in the seniority level. We can see that the leads have been brought down to 2,500. In order to extract these leads, use the Konnector Chrome extension. Click on the extension, add a unique lead list name, enter the lead count as 2,500, and click on Confirm. Repeat the process to extract all the followers. You will see that a lead list name Sales Navigator CargoWise has been created in your Leads tab in Konnector, and all the 2,500 leads will be populated inside this particular lead list. You can see the details like premium profile, open profile, occupation, company name, location, etc. for all your leads. This is how you can extract leads from your competitor's company page using Sales Navigator. Thank you.